Why is the Drama Emergency Rapid Hemostasis Series products? War conflicts, terrorist attacks, accidents, and natural disasters can occur at any time, causing varying degrees of bleeding. Massive blood losses is the primary cause of the deaths from the various external injuries. Shijiazhuang Yishengtang Medical Product Company Limited has been focusing on rapid hemostatic materials since 2013. Through independent scientific research and cooperation with military medical research institutions, we have developed two series of rapid hemostatic products, Chitosan and choline, using innovative technology. These products cover various dosage forms such as sponges, granules, and gauze, and can be used in fields such as war trauma, field treatment, and pre-hospital emergency care. The hemostatic effect has reached the international leading level. Chitosan series hemostatic products. When chitosan and its derivatives come into contact with blood, they carry a positive charge and can absorb negatively charged blood cells, concentrate and condense blood cells and platelets, form blood clots, and achieve rapid hemostasis. The product has good antibacterial and anti-infective effects, and the chitosan hemostatic materials has good biocompatibility, no immunogenicity, and does not rely on its own coagulation mechanism. It is effective for patients taking coagulation drugs, coagulation dysfunction patients, and hyperthermia patients. Chitosan hemostatic powder, fast in stopping bleeding, can control arterial bleeding within 3 to 5 minutes, and can still exert hemostatic effects even after contact with water. Natural polysaccharides have been modified through protonation technology and have been verified in practical use to have high activity and good safety. Chitosan hemostatic powder type 1 bag is suitable for complex bleeding wounds on the body surface. Chitosan hemostatic powder type 2 push injection type is suitable for hemostasis of wounds such as penetrating injuries and blind tube injuries. The Type 2 syringe adopts the patented design of arc-shaped handle and pressure relief groove, which quickly delivers hemostatic powder to the bleeding site, making operation convenient, labor-saving, and fast. Chitosan hemostatic gauze. Hemostatic powder is combined with high specific surface area no-woven fabric through a special process to achieve dual synergistic hemostasis. 3 to 5 minutes to control arterial bleeding. Convenient to carry, easy to press, easy to fill, and quick to operate. Can be used to harsh outdoor environments with good battlefield environment and service adaptability. Suitable for active bleeding in the trunk and border areas. Chitosan hemostatic sponge. Rapid hemostasis, 3 to 5 minutes arterial hemostasis. Easy to tightly adhere to the wound, forming wound protection, flexible and convenient to carry and use. Suitable for hemostasis of surface open bleeding wounds and linear blade wounds. It can be applied to open wounds in the limbs and border areas, as well as surface open wounds in the chest and abdomen. Choline series hemostatic products. Emergency choline hemostatic dressing. Drawing on traditional Chinese formulas and combining them with modern technology, choline and non-woven fabric synergistically exert hemostatic effects, controlling arterial bleeding within 3 to 5 minutes. Stable performance, suitable for extreme battlefield environments. No heat release, good biocompatibility. Has a detectability and can avoid legacy. The product has a soft texture and is suitable for emergency bleeding treatment of wounds of different sizes and types. Yishengtang has conducted a series of research validation, including in vitro coagulation test, animal hemostasis test, and clinical trials using foreign midstream equipment such as CX gauze, CX hemostatic granules, and CX bat gauze as preference standards. The results show that Yishengtang products have better or equivalent hemostatic performance than foreign reference standards. 50 to 60 kilograms of healthy pigs were selected for animal experiments, and femoral arterial bleeding models such as cutting injuries blind tube injuries, and gunshot wounds were used. Blood pressure was high and bleeding volume was large. The product was able to effectively control femoral artery bleeding within 3 to 5 minutes, fully verifying the safety and effectiveness of the product. To comprehensively simulate the real battlefield environment, animal experiments were conducted under special battlefield conditions such as high temperature, low temperature, and high altitude. The product is not affected by the environment and has stable hemostatic performance. On the basis of the core product of the hemostasis module, Yishengtang has developed a new type of emergency kit, which is equipped with modules such as bandaging and airway management. It can efficiently handle various injuries and has a wide range of application prospects in the field of emergency treatment on the battlefield. Yishengtang has been deeply involved in the field of rapid hemostatic materials for more than 10 years and has obtained 9 registration certificates for hemostatic medical devices. It has established GMP workshops at the 10,000 level and local 100 level and can produce 3 million sets of hemostatic materials annually. It is currently the most comprehensive and largest production capacity rapid hemostatic material manufacturer in China. The product has been widely promoted and applied in the military, law enforcement agency, emergency rescue, Olympic Games, and civilian fields with good performance and high recognition from customers. In the future, Yishengtang will continue to focus on the theme of emergency hemostasis and make every effort to build a leading research and production platform for emergency hemostatic materials in China, safeguarding the health and safety of the billions of lives. YSD, your salvation tactics.